Benefits of castor oil. Castor oil has been used for centuries as a beautification oil or for health and wellness. It can be used topically by massaging in the area, like your scalp, your hair, your skin. Leave it on for a little while or overnight. Or if used internally, it's often taken as a laxative for constipation. Today, I will be discussing benefits, contraindications, and application of this amazing oil. So stay with me until the end. Castor oil is a carrier oil, which differs from all the other oils because of its weight, the molecular weight, the heaviness of the oil. And the component is ricinoleic acid. It makes up about 90% of the oil, which allows the oil to penetrate deep down to stimulate the dermis tissue, where we find lymph, blood capillaries, which other oils sit on the top of the surface of the skin. So very quickly, if this is your first time on my channel, my name is Maria and welcome to Aglaia Aesthetics Online. I am an instructor, master esthetician, and examiner for many years. I have an online aesthetics training for individuals that want to become certified estheticians. Give me comments below. Love to connect with you. So let's get started. You must choose a good castor oil. The best that you can find is in an amber dark glass, not plastic, must be pure, organic, hexene free, cold pressed, and extra virgin. I will have links below. So let's discuss number one, the benefits. The pack is believed to stimulate the lymphatic system, aiding in detoxification. It helps reduce inflammation and promote healing. Ensure, however, you are in good health before attempting a castor oil pack, and consult a healthcare provider or professional if you have any concerns or pre-existing conditions, and must do a patch test. Before you put oil all over the place, just do a little patch test in the back and see if you have any reactions to this very, very powerful oil. Pack therapy is a powerful and versatile holistic health practice that can promote healing and wellness in numerous ways. Whether you're looking to relieve pain, improve digestion, or boost your overall wellness, castor oil packs may be worth exploring. I would like to list some of the benefits of this oil and also the packs. Pain relief, and I can vouch for that. Castor oil packs may reduce pain and inflammation when applied to the affected area. They are often used for conditions like arthritis, muscle aches, menstrual cramps. The anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving properties of castor oil may help alleviate also sciatica pain. Other areas that works is digestive health. When you use this oil pack on your abdomen to promote healthy digestion, to alleviate digestive issues such as bloating, gas, and it also relieves constipation by improving your bowel movement. It absorbs that deep. Liver detoxification. Castor oil packs support the liver by enhancing the liver's ability to filter toxins from the blood. The oil can be applied to the skin to moisturize and improve the appearance of dry, rough, or irritated skin. Antibacterial properties of castor oil may help improve skin health, promote healing, and reduce the appearance of scars. Castor oil is used on the scalp to promote hair growth, improve hair health. On eyebrows, yes, it does stimulate. So as you get older, your eyebrows, they do become wiry and you lose some eyebrows, but when you start regularly applying the oil right onto your eyebrows, it does promote growth. Now with lashes, I'm a little bit hesitant because if it goes inside, it might cause irritation, and I have seen some individuals getting styes the hair follicle around the lashes, they become clogged. So I will stay away applying on the lashes. But the eyebrows, incredible. Menstrual irregularities, castor oil packs on the lower abdomen to help regulate menstrual cycles and reduce the symptoms of conditions like period cramps or endometriosis, fibroids in your uterus, and cysts on the ovaries. Also, castor oil packs have been used to support fertility by improving circulation to the reproductive organs and hormonal balance. I'm not saying that this is a miracle oil, but it has helped a lot of individuals. Natural nature will help you. Now, with constipation, which I mentioned before, castor oil will penetrate into the colon and heal the colon in the person that have constipation, diarrhea, irritable bowel. The castor will penetrate deep and it will cause a cleansing and healing in that area. I'm looking at my list here of all the benefits, and this one is my favorite. Promote relaxation. Sometimes we in this world today, with all the social media and with the stresses of what happens in the world, we are bombarded with so much stress. The application of a warm castor oil pack on the abdomen will promote relaxation and relieve stress. And within an hour, I feel totally relaxed and ready to go to bed. These oil packs will boost the immune system by stimulating your lymphatic system and promoting the removal of waste and toxins from your body, which can help reducing swelling and, yes, improve your immune system. With all and any natural remedies, individuals with certain health conditions or concerns should avoid using detox packs, and it's crucial to consult with your healthcare provider before attempting any kind of a detox regime. Specific groups should be very cautious, including pregnant or nursing women, any problem with the liver or kidney disease. If you have eating disorders, detoxing can potentially exacerbate issues from those with eating disorders. If you're on a medication, detox measures may interact with your medication. It's important to approach such methods with a critical mindset and do a patch test. So a little patch test around a year to see if you have any reaction. Number 3, application of castor oil packs are a popular method of detoxification. So materials, high quality castor oil is my favorite one. You need to have a flannel cloth, saran wrap or plastic wrap, a belt, a hot water bottle, a heating pad. And then on this flannel, you apply like half a cup of castor oil. And try to maybe get a dish first. And you want the castor oil to soak inside the flannel. And you let it sit for about 15 to 20 minutes. Once that happens, then you will apply this pack now into the desired area. So if it is on your liver or your abdomen, you apply. So if the oil is here, you're going to apply face down. And then what you need to do is to keep it in place. And I like to use saran wrap. And then on top of that, you will have a belt, something like this. Okay, and I will have a link. This is one of my favorite ones. It has a Velcro, so it can keep it right onto its place. Now, some people say, is the saran wrap necessary? No, we don't need to, but I don't want to get this one dirty, so the saran wrap will protect my belt. Then what you do, you apply a hot bottle onto the area or a heating pad, and you leave it on for about an hour. Now, you can leave it overnight if you wish, that is something that you need to see if that is good for you. But do not start the first time that you apply to apply all over the place and then leave it on overnight, because it's a very, very active detoxifying method and you don't want to over detoxify the first time. This compress, this flannel, can be reused several times, so you're not wasting half a cup of castor oil. And every night you can add a tablespoon of oil each time you use it. This compress is a vehicle to hold the oil, and the thicker the compress, the more oil it can hold and more oil is available to go into you. Apply it as often as possible. During the sleep time or before you go to sleep is the best practice. However, as a new person doing it, start slow as a bedtime routine, an hour before bed. Every night is ideal, but at least 3 times a week. Get into a habit. Another way of using this is oil bath. Apply a thin layer of castor oil in the area that you wish. Massage it in evenly. Apply in the area that you have a muscle tension, or if your knees are hurting, or if you have a sciatica area that you have pain. Let it sit on the body for a little while, let's say 10 minutes. Then you can have a warm shower or soak in a bath for 30 minutes. It is an amazing feeling. So how are you going to wash these oil packs? Now you can use these one 5-6 times, but there comes to a point that if you use it longer than that, the oil will start to get rancid. What I do is get some hot boiling water in a bowl, put a couple tablespoons of baking soda in natural dish soap, and let it soak for about an hour. Then rinse well and hang dry. That's it. The various health benefits of castor oil packs are amazing. They may help improve the overall well-being and support a healthy lifestyle, help you to relieve stress, detox, so you can finally relax and start sleeping better by calming your nervous system. Let me know below if you have any questions. Now, if you have not subscribed yet, please consider it. Give me a like, click on the notification bell so you will not miss any of my educational tutorials. And check this tutorial coming up. You might enjoy that too. I hope you found this video to be useful and walk away with simple and easy tips on how to relax and feel amazing. Remember to treat yourself with love and respect. Until the next time, take care and may God bless you.